What is up, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning in for another video. If you follow me on social media, you may know the room looks a little different. Lighting is different. We finished moving this past week, and I have to tell you, moving was something that I do not enjoy because it was so stressful, and then downsizing, that was another thing. It was insane. And enough of it. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. In this video, I'm going to be doing this create your own sign DIY neon wire kit. I'm going to show the whole process, and we are going to, as you see, I already opened it because I looked inside to see what comes in it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We're going to get into this, and me and you, we're going to do this together and see how it turns out. I'm very excited. I have a word that I really want to do, or I have two words. I'm trying to decide. But anyways, enough talking. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so here it says, let me make sure you can see it. Okay, so here it says it comes with 10 feet of white, a neon wire, bendable metal wire, a battery pack, safety scissors, and then it gives the DIY steps. Draw your own design, shape the metal wire, and then I guess you attach the neon wire to the wire that you bend. And of course you got to sketch out the words you want to do. So the two words I want to do, one is adelante, which means forward in Spanish. And the other one, I was thinking of being stereotypical and doing the word hustle. Simply because I love how that word flows and how I love the H. And now let's go ahead and open it up and let's go ahead and slide everything out and see how it looks. That's everything. Let me fix this lighting. Okay, that's not too bad. It gives you, there's a battery pack, the bundle of wire, the neon wire, and some zip ties. I guess the zip ties are attached the neon to the wire, and then it gives you the safety scissors. I guess the blades on this pair of scissors are made to be able to cut the wire, I'm guessing. So let's open this up and investigate further. Yeah, so you do not want to cut the neon wire. Does it have batteries in this? And of course it has AA batteries that are not included. Here's what's this wire like? Is it hard to bend? Okay, good. This wire is not hard to bend. And then these scissors. Oh, that's cool. How they have this little stopper here in the middle. For the ASMR people. I like this. That's really cool. They have this little stopper instead of going all the way. Okay, that's the scissors. And the zip ties. If any of you out there are really into cars, that you really know about zip ties. These just some generic zip ties, and then trash. And more trash. So, you've seen that and everything that comes in the box. Now let's get to the sketching. Time lapse begins now. If you are wondering about these band-aids and this scar on my hand, I had a terrible fall the other day. If you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, you know all about it and what could have been avoided. So this is the one I'm going to go with, and I'm going to do this one, scale it up a bit so it'd be easier to bend the wire. And now, let's get to bending the wire. Let's see how this goes. Let's see if it's worth the $10 or not. Probably have too many crazy bends in it. Let me try to do it this way. This is taking too long. Or I feel like this video is going to go on forever. Or, hold on, I gotta regroup. Okay, putting the final touches on just the wire portion. This is gonna be a two-part video. And I ended up doing the word hustle. I did it. Well, you could eliminate that part. This is how it basically looks without this drastic loop. Some more. So, like that. And overall, my first impressions of it, I thought these scissors were cool, but these scissors are actually pretty trash. They cannot even cut the wire. I had to use these Scotch titanium scissors, which I guess these are for cutting the neon wire, and I used these Scotch scissors to cut this wire and it went right through it. And I would not recommend, only way I'd recommend you to get this is if you have patience and also you are not, you're good with your hands and you have like very strong hands, and also to have patience. Because you see, I started with this word and realized that all these bends and everything was not able to be done by me, because I used pins more than wire. And so far, I would give it, out of 5, I would give it a 2.5. And using the zip ties to attach the wire together. This is going to be a 2-part video. Next video we're going to be having the batteries put in and we're going to light it up. So stay tuned for that and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.